my telephone, my main, the coordination factor, the communication factor. Nowadays people prefer tablet or tabloid or mobile or computer because they want to keep it secretly. Now nothing is secret. Nothing is safe. Everything is out and public life is not safe. I am afraid of my people of this country. I am not afraid of me. They may kill me, I don't mind for that. But they should not kill 130 million people of this country.
দিদি আপনি দিল্লি যাচ্ছেন, দিল্লিতে গিয়ে কবে নাগাদ যাচ্ছেন, কবে প্রধানমন্ত্রীর অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্টটা নিয়েছেন?
ভাই সবটা তো আমি এখন বলতে পারবো না।
না ঠিক আছে,
আমি চেয়েছি অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট দিয়েছে, ওটা জানলে গেলেই দেখতে হবে।
বিরোধী জোট কতটা স্ট্রং হবে বলে আপনি মনে করেন?
আমি এখন ডিটেলস আমি আফটার ডেথ কামস দ্য ডক্টর হলে বা অন্নপ্রাশনের আগেই সব বলে দেবো? জন্মই হলো না বাচ্চার, অন্নপ্রাশনের দিন ঠিক হবে কি করে? কথা বলতে হবে।
গতকাল আমরা
সব একদিনে হয় না, একটু বুদ্ধি খরচ করুন। যা বলে দিয়েছি অনেক ইনফরমেশন বলে দিয়েছি। They are now bulldozing the people who are raising their voice. Just you see the Bhaskar, Dainik Bhaskar today. They cannot wait a single day even. Every day they have the routine and they have the planning. How to finish them, what is their game. So this is the game. And their game is dangerous game. This type of autocratic attitude, Indian people will not prefer. Even my state people are not supporting this. Nobody. Not from student class to cultural class to civic society. Even you have seen how they have tortured with the civic society people also. So I think that we are there. When we will be there, I will be going to Parliament also if I get the permission, because COVID is also there. So if I am allowed to go to Parliament, then I have to go to my party office also. And when Parliament is on, then so many leaders they are staying also there. So whenever within these 2-3 days I have so many meetings. So let me see the timing and space, then we'll decide. From yesterday, from Chandigarh Lok Panchayat, they also invited me, all the farmers from Punjab, that they want to sit with me in Chandigarh also. But this time may not be, because I'm not going to Chandigarh, because within 2 days I cannot afford that time, but next I'll see. But farmers, they, Tikayat and others, they came here. If they want to meet, I have no problem.
Ma'am, do you also see the entire Pegasus alleged snooping a threat to personal security? I ask this question because in Nandigram there was an incident with you. In 2016 there was an incident with Abhishek Banerjee. Do you find a reason to link such kind of alleged snooping with the kind of incidents which have happened?
It is, I will not mention about these two incidents. That time Abhishek was saved. I do not know how God saved him. And I also suffered 3 months, because even in election campaign also I have done through my wheelchair.